Take two, guys. This is Pearly Gardiner, targeted individual, Australia. Mind control victim since birth, got sold out to Australian Security Intelligence Organisation, ASIS, and to the Australian Signal Directorate in the year 2000 via my honey trap ex-husband, German-Australian. Okay, just an update. Nothing much, a lot of to update. I still have to do the book review of the book How to Tame a Demon by the CIA's neuroscientist whistleblower Dr. Robert Duncan. Review on that, and also about my employment, like the history, like how it was manipulated, all by manipulation and deception. And but now it's just only one that I want to share. I bought this the second phone that I bought, the Samsung. It was $260. I didn't have a choice because the security camera that I bought, that cost $59. I bought that in JB Hi-Fi in Maryland, and I wasn't told by the staff of JB Hi-Fi that you have, I don't know, he said I have to connect that to a Wi-Fi, but my Wi-Fi at my place is actually compromised, so there's no point of using that security, the security camera. So thankfully my narcissist handler let me refund the money for that. So I went to JB Hi-Fi in Rouse Hill and bought Samsung mobile phone worth $260. So I only paid $210 when I returned the security camera. And then that time when I meet up with my friends Ching and Judy, I dropped the camera. Well, I dropped it. Of course, the surveillance team knew about it, and because I dropped that, I think it's not covered by the warranty for 2 years warranty, so it wasn't covered. So what I did was what you call this one, when I was in Rouse Hill, so I was told by those two minions at JB Hi-Fi that I need to see a mobile repair shop. So what I did, I googled if there were shop there in, what you call it, in Rouse Hill, like mobile repair. So I got to Google this one, Mobile Experts. It's an organized crime. So those two there in Rouse Hill, those two, it was a female and male at that time when I went there. And so, to cut the long story short, when I went there and I said, here's my mobile phone. I said, here's my mobile phone, the mobile phone. How much is it? So I asked for a quote. So he said something like $179. If you want the mobile screen, $20. If you want the case, $30, like that. So I was so impulsive. And then he told me at first, like, oh, by the way, you can actually take it home and just deposit $50 today and come back on Saturday. And on that day, you will just wait half an hour for me to fix your phone. So that's why he told me. And then after I paid $50 as down payment, he then said, oh, he grabbed it from my hand. He took the case, a mobile case, and put it aside and said, oh, just come back on Saturday, and on Saturday, and I'll just fix it tomorrow, and just come back to Saturday morning and pick it up. So I was like, what the hell? It's like, because the Hive Mind team are experimenting on my brain, so different brain waves, synaptic emotional response, of course. Like, I was, okay. I was like kind of weird, feel like, okay, I'm gonna take it home and just bring it on Saturday. Okay. And then he took it back. So I knew by then that these are gang stalkers. These are minions. So what I did yesterday, I was with my friend Judy. We dropped by there to pick up the phone. I was taking a video. I took a video of him while he's standing, and of course he was already advised by the surveillance team, by my handler, by the community-based agent that in charge in that suburb, Rouse Hill, connecting. Maybe that this is just my theory, and communicating with my handler. So, and then he knew that I was taking video, and he said, remove that video, delete that video. If you're not going to delete that video, I'm not going to release your phone. So, of course, I didn't have a choice. So, I did let him delete I didn't know that once you deleted it from the gallery, that you still have to delete it another one. I don't know what he did, but I don't know, because he said, oh, you need to delete it again, something like that. I don't know if it was iCloud or something. So I did deleted that, and then I paid for the screen for my phone, and then when I paid for it like that. I paid, I think, 159. So it was like 210 altogether. So, and then I saw him. I don't know if it was an acting again. I don't know if it was like he was acting like, just for me to feel sorry for him. But I saw his face. He was so guilty. Like, it was like a both shame, guilt that I saw in his face. I don't know if it was acting, but if it wasn't acting, I think. And then I told him, you don't know what I'm going through. That's not a good thing to do. I said to him, you're taking part of an illegal, immoral, unconstitutional, satanic government program. I said to him. So that's all about that. About this incident scenario that happened in Rouse Hill. Mobile experts, organized crime, taking part of this unbelievable, guys. Like, this is so satanic. Like, all of religious organizations, government departments, institutions, businesses, whether small or big businesses, it's all infiltrated. It's all infiltrated. And according to Dr. I think it was according to Dr. Eric Karlstrom and Ramola D, that their goal is to have a one world government, an antichrist world government, Luciferians. So these fake Jehovah's Witnesses, fake Christians, taking part of this satanic program of the government, you might probably think that you are James 007, that you are doing a duty like for your country. It's not at all. So these intelligence agencies around the world, you are being used by the Illuminatis. Unbelievable. My theory, if all of these, particularly the Five Eye countries, the New Zealand, Canada, America, Australia, and UK, if all of these MI6, CO, CIA, NSA, FBI, if these intelligence agencies will unite, they can actually fight back the Illuminatis. But it's too late now. I think it's all because of greed. It's all because of you are blind by this material wealth and money. That's what I think. So, but anyway, guys, so far so good. My handler is hot and cold narcissist. Of course, they have to do it that way because they're experimenting on my brain, and they need more synaptic emotional response from me. Response statistics. And what else? And also to the surveillance team, next time you do your road psyop on me, make sure you're syncing, because you're not syncing. If it's not too late, it's too late. If it's not too late, it's too early. It's not syncing, so I don't see your road street header or whatever psyop you have for me. Anyway, to all the targeted individuals, follow my Facebook Facebook page, Pearl Gardener and Pearly Imbuido Gardener. I actually have 5 Facebook accounts, but I can't access now the 3 other accounts. Most especially the one that I had before, the Pearly Gardener. That was my first Facebook account, and I had lots of like videos of my gang stalkers on that account, but I don't know, I can't access now. Of course, the surveillance team had it already. Okay, guys, God bless all the targeted individuals, and I don't even know if I have 365 subscribers in this account. I don't know how many, maybe one, at least one TI, a real TI would be good, because they controlled everything. Thank you, guys. God bless. And now it's 9:02. I have to do my 3 hours cleaning. Thank you, guys. God bless everyone. Bye for now.